I'm Avery Ruzicka. I'm the founder of Manresa Bread, and we are located in Campbell, California. I really focus on naturally fermented sourdoughs as well as fresh milled flours. And I love California prunes. I think they're a underutilized fruit. You get so much flavor, texture, juiciness that I think that they're a really fun ingredient to incorporate into all sorts of baked goods, but especially bread. I've created a fall fruit and seed bread that I think is going to be really great for autumn gatherings. It has a rich flavor and texture. The rye flour, the seeds, and then the prunes kind of really play off of one another. So it bring the focus onto the prune. I created this bread. I really envisioned it being a part of somebody's gathering for a party where it might be enjoyed with lots of different kinds of like either charcuterie or cheeses. I love baking bread because you are always learning. We have really simple ingredients, and yet every day you can make that product better and you can learn something. So I think I loved the focus of being a baker, but there's a lot of depth, creatively, mentally engaging and exciting.